everybody. Welcome back to Villains and Vice. We are shooting on location in Maine.
Hello.
We have my nephew Donovan, you know him, and my niece Maddie.
Hi.
And today we have some mini brands. So we've never done mini brands before. I honestly never thought mini brands would be something I'd ever do, but here we are. So these little balls that kind of open
Like oranges.
yes, like those chocolate oranges you get at Christmas time. You get 60 plus options of things that come in this little white ball.
Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars. I'm hoping for Star Wars. I'm hoping for Star Wars.
What are you hoping for?
Disney or Pixar. They might have added Turning Red.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I'm hoping for Star Wars because my birthday's May the 4th.
Yeah,
May the 4th, right here.
there's-
I'm hoping for Disney villains. I have yet to see very many Disney villains. They're underrepresented in these. But, you know, I do love the Mandalorian, so Mando or Darth Vader.
It'd be cool if we got Marvel too, because
That's
they might
true.
have Miss Marvel.
That's true. You love Miss Marvel. So we're just going to get into it, and I think Maddie's going first.
Because I watched a video.
She's a professional.
Oh,
So you pull that,
Little pull tab. Very handy.
and you like LOLs. You pull this part, and now you have your orange. You have to peel off this plastic.
So it's double plastic.
Yep.
It's a lot of work.
wrapper on wrapper, wrapper on wrapper. It's wrapper
And now
on
you-
wrapper.
You
Wrapper on
open
wrapper.
this. Oh, it's.
Oh, you actually did a really good job. I'm impressed.
There's like
Okay, I'm
5
gonna
in a
open.
pack.
There's 1,
6, I think.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah,
No,
that's
there
there.
are 5.
5 surprises.
Okay.
I was like 5
Show us
in
how
a
much I
pack.
know.
There's like 5 in a pack.
All right. Probably here, this
Right
little
here.
pull tab.
I'm gonna start mine too.
No.
I got Black Widow.
Black
There we
Widow.
go. Black Widow. You wanted Marvel. It's pretty cool.
Probably all of them are in.
The detail is amazing. Even like the back of them would be like what the back of the box would actually be. I don't know how they get such good detail on these tiny, tiny figures.
And
but-
like the food ones are also really.
yeah, pretty detailed.
I got Lego Millennium Falcon. I think it's Lego. I don't
impressive.
know if it's Lego.
It's like a Lego.
Toy box. I mean, it's pretty cool.
Same.
Next one.
Oh, this is like for the game.
What's this?
The game that Toy Box. It's from
Oh.
Toy Box, like the game where you on Xbox,
Oh.
where you put your characters in and play around the world.
Oh, okay. See, I'm glad you guys know these things because I do.
I got Cinderella.
Princess.
Disney princess.
Bring it right up. I can do it. I'm closer than you are.
She
Cinderella
got.
doll.
I
Very
think she got
cute.
Disney or Pixar.
I got Disney.
Yeah.
I had two.
She's gotten Star Wars,
Two.
Marvel, and Disney.
I just need Pixar. Ooh, I got Marvel Spider-Man
Mask.
mask.
Someone's gonna want that.
Donovan.
Not me.
No?
And now I
Look, it
have
has detail on the side
Let me check how much we can get.
and detail on the back.
yeah, that's the collector's guide. Now I have one more.
Tell them to-
Oh, another Marvel. I got Thor's hammer. I'm gonna keep this because I love Thor.
You do.
And I got
Thor's hammer.
all 5
Gold.
of mine.
Let's keep
3
these out here so we know what.
3 Marvel and 1 Star Wars and 1 Disney.
So they do come with a guide.
Yeah,
what's
it says
available.
if they're rare or not.
My turn.
These are all common.
And then you can kind of mark off as you get them.
I got some.
And it's on the back too. It'd be cool if we get a Rapunzel for Uncle Mike, because we know Uncle Mike loves Punzy.
And the cocoa is hard.
I mean, I just want Baby Yodes.
Is there Baby Yodes?
Yep, there's a Baby Yodes right here. He's really
Bag.
cute.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Dawn,
be
ready?
opening mine now.
All right, time for Dawn. Excellent work, excellent work. Do you may get that off for you?
Good job, bud. Now pull off that thing. Right here.
Let's get all the plastic up first. Wait. Get your hands off.
I know what to do. Like,
You have to get the, hold on, it's right here.
I am getting off the plastic.
There you go.
Now pull up. Oh,
He doesn't need us, apparently.
okay. Now open your
Little
first one.
boys do things in different manners. Got it? This
Right
one?
here?
Yeah, that pulls right down.
Can you help, buddy?
Nah,
Nah.
I think I am.
Nah.
You've almost got it. There you go.
There we go, buddy.
I got Star Wars.
Oh, we got another collector's
Another
guide.
collector's guide. And what is this? Oh!
Stormtrooper.
A
Stormtrooper.
stormtrooper. I'll be taking this when Donovan's asleep tonight.
No.
You can put this right near the Star Wars pile.
Alright, Star Wars is over here.
I got
Oh.
Elsa. Yeah, I'm giving that to my sister. I don't like Elsa.
Or we
What
can,
a nice boy.
I'll give you my Spider-Man mask.
Yes. Oh, I'm giving this to Chase.
Oh, the cars.
Lightning.
Yep, our first Pixar.
Alright, hold on a second.
Our
I'm out.
first Pixar.
I'm going to show everybody what we got. So their cousin Chase is a very, very big Cars fan.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Go ahead and sing.
Never a Spider-Man. Track the webs.
Very cool.
Put it
Put
Our
in the
Marvel pile.
We only have one Pixar.
Alright.
What you get? Oh, Mickey.
Oh, that's really
Who
cute.
likes Mickey?
Everyone likes Mickey, but I bet Chase would like
What is that?
Mickey.
Oh, Mickey Roasters, I think.
Wait, can we open
Disney
this
Junior.
and we can like?
No, it's not a real toy. This is the toy.
It would just make a mess. Look how cute.
Oh, we could give this to our cousin, Malcolm.
I think we can take out the character.
No, you can't.
Any of it?
No,
Done.
it's not.
Alright, we have
part
one more.
of- One more.
How about I open one of them, and then you guys can each open 2. Sound good?
Mhm.
Alright. Let's see if I'm confident enough to actually just open the dumb ball.
Don't call it dumb.
Alright, so far so good. Round 2.
I'm gonna take them all.
3.
No, plastic round.
Oh,
I don't want to brag, but I'm really good at opening the plastic parts.
you're older than us.
Not by much. Okay, so that's
9.
much easier to open than I would have thought. Alright, out of all these 5, which do I want to be the one that I open?
I'm taking mine more down. Right?
I'm taking all of them,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to bite you.
No. I don't
I got
this
both
one.
I gave it to you.
in pants,
And also I have this one.
No. Oh yeah, that is yours.
which I do not approve of.
No. Oh, let's chase.
There she is in that pretty dress, and then they put pants on her. Ooh.
I will trade you this.
Superheroes can wear dresses.
I'll trade you this.
Okay,
What is her?
we have another
Pixar.
little Pixar. Alright, so you guys each get 2.
1. Minnie!
I'm giving that to my sister.
Well, we have to show everybody. Oh, Dawn, this isn't your first rodeo. Alright, so our first is a mini toy box. Cute little Minnie.
You want one of mine?
Alright, pick another one.
I don't know.
Alright, what'd you get?
Iron Man.
Well, you get to keep that one. I don't really like Iron Man. John, put it in the camera lens.
Here. There you go.
Poor Iron Man.
Alright, how many mimosas
Is
have you
this
had
gets
today?
another boy?
Here we go.
Is
Iron
this
Man.
gets another boy? She
I'll
has to get it.
Where's the marble pile?
Oh, boy, we just took ours.
Oh, so you've already, okay. Alright, Matt has the last two.
Oh my gosh, where is it?
Also, I like this Millennium outfit.
Where is it? Ah!
Has
What have you done? You've
Trying to find
massacred
my
them.
tab. Oh, I got a marble done. Oh, a duplicate.
Womp womp. But it took until now to get a duplicate, so
Yeah,
not bad. We get another Thor's hammer.
Why can we not take them out?
because it's not good for it.
You can take that one out because we have two. I don't know what you're going to do with
You're
it.
gonna destroy it. Oh!
So we only got one duplicate out of the
A
whole
little
thing.
Mickey kitchen.
Well, that is really cute. Alright, so out of the 3 little orangey ball things, we only had 1 duplicate, so I feel like that's not bad. We got plenty of stuff that you like and lots of stuff that you like and stuff to give to your cousins, so I feel like that was a success. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Let us know if you want to see us open more mystery packages of sorts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
But it's a package stays on. You can still play with it.
All right,
You're
well,
gonna lose it.
say goodbye.